Right, here we are again, the acoustic kitchen here in Dublin. I have two lads here, the Mansfields from Redgap above the Slade Valley in South West County Dublin. That's Niall Mansfield and that's his son Mike Mansfield.
How's it going?
And the family has been living in Redgap since when? 1600 and something?
1746, I think.
1746, I thought I was only a little bit out there. But you don't look that old anyway. And we have Bowron and we have Bazooki, and Mike also plays the mandolin. And both lads singing out songs. So
Just about.
I'll get out of the way and let you enjoy the music of the Mansfields.
Talk about the song. You can do that. After.
Yeah, just I don't tell you about the Bowron here. I play a hand style Bowron, which is fairly unique in Ireland, and I think my own style is sort of different as well. So I hope you enjoy it. What was you, Mike?
This is a song, and it's called
The American Stranger. Okay.
And he
We're ready to go.
sings it. Where'd you get it?
I got it from Johnny Moynihan, and many years ago. Go ahead there, Mike. Let your out. When first in this country a stranger I came, curiosity caused me to roam over Europe. I resolved to be a ranger when I left Philadelphia, my home. I quickly sailed over to Ireland, where forms of great beauty does shine, and it's there that I met this young woman, and I wish in my heart she was mine. One morning I carelessly ran where wind and sweet breezes does blow. It was down by a clear little fountain, where the sweet running waters would flow. It was there that I spied this young woman. She looked like a goddess to me, as she rose from the reeds by the river, or the green mossy banks of the Lee. I walked up and wished her good morning. Her cheeks they did blush like the rose, saying your green gardens look charming, and your garden will I be with you. Oh no sir, I don't want a gardener, and young man, you're a stranger to me, and yonder my father is coming, o'er the green and mossy banks of the Lee. I waited till up came her father. I plucked up my courage once more, saying I sir, this is your daughter. She's surely the girl I adore. 10,000 a year is my fortune, and a lady your daughter shall be. She shall ride in a carriage and horses, o'er the green mossy banks of the Lee. She invited me home to a cottage, soon after in marriage to join, with the lovely and beauteous Matilda, and knowledge and proof of divine. To all the young girls pay attention, no matter how poor they might be, for as many as a poor girl is handsome as those in the land of the tree. Thank you.
There you go.
The next few tunes are a set of reels. They're favourites of Mike. The first one is Lost in the Loop. Second one is Wind Broke. And the third one is
Queen of Rangoon.
Queen of Rangoon. Go for it there, Mike.
Queen of Rangoon. Regulars in the session where we play. So.
Mike's going to sing us another song here now. It's Peace Dance for Paddy.
Right. Should
We'll tip it out. Would have been one of the earlier tunes there by Plankstein. The likes became very popular. It's changed a little bit in the meantime with different younger musicians. So here we go.
this tune here is this song is called "Peace Dance for Paddy." Stands for Paddy, I suppose. James for Mile, John. W stands for Falls Willie-O. Johnny's the fairest man. Pete stands for Paddy, I suppose. James for Mile, John. W stands for Falls Willie-O. Johnny's the fairest man. As I rode down in the May morning to take a pleasant walk, I sat myself down by an old stone wall to hear two lovers talk, to hear what they might say, my dear, to hear what they might say, that I might know some more about love before I should go away. Pete stands for Paddy, I suppose. James for Milo, John. W stands for Falls Willie-O. Johnny's the fairest man. Come sit yourself down beside me, my dear, together on the green. For it's been 3/4 of a year or more since together we have been. I'll not sit down beside you, she said, now another time. For I hear you have another girl, your heart's no longer mine. No, your heart's no longer mine, my dear, no, your heart's no longer mine. For I hear you have another girl, your heart's no longer mine. Pete stands for Paddy, I suppose. James for Milo, John. And W stands for Falls Willie-O. Johnny's the fairest man. Pete stands for Paddy, I suppose. James for Milo, John. And W stands for Falls Willie-O. Johnny's the fairest man. Tall tree and from the wild bird's nest. When I come down to show some love, the girl that I love best, the girl that I love best, my dear, the girl that I love best. When I come down to show some love, the girl that I love best. Pete stands for Paddy, I suppose. James for Milo, John. And W stands for Falls Willie-O. Johnny is the fairest man. This last few tunes, the first one's called The Iron Man and the second one's called The Gladstone. Both are Scottish tunes, Scott Skinner, and I got them off Paul McGrattan, the flute player. The last tune is called Press for Time, which is also a Scottish tune, and it's regular in our session, so we'll see how it goes. Here's a set of tunes. I'm not really sure the names of the first two. I think the first one is called The Head Roaster and the second one is called The Last Mile. But the last one is a tune that I got from Paul Kelly. It's called The Dresden Reel, and he wrote it in Dresden. So
One of our favourite sets.